today's session on repairing of damaged gears, mounting and checking for workability. In last session, we learned how to dismounting gears. Now we will discuss repairing any damaged gear, mounting them correctly and checking their workability. Repairing damaged gears requires a meticulous approach as even minor deviations can affect their performance and longevity. Let's dive into the intricacies of gear repair, empowering you to tackle gear damage effectively and restore your mechanical systems to their optimal working condition. In this session on repairing damaged gears, mounting and checking for workability, our objectives are: repair gear tooth by dovetail method, repair gear tooth by stud and welding method, assemble the gearbox, mount the gearbox to the machine for the test run. By the end of this session, you will have the knowledge and skills required to repair, mounting and check the workability of gears effectively. These objectives will equip you with valuable insights into gear maintenance, enhancing the performance and longevity of mechanical systems.
Repair broken gear tooth, dovetail blank method. Support the gear against a V-block and clamp it by parallel clamp. Mark the dovetail groove on the gear wheel from both sides using a vernier height gauge and vernier bevel protractor. Punch the marking lines. Drill 3 mm diameter relief holes, one each on the corner of the dovetail. Remove material from the gear to shape and size of dovetail as per marking. File the blank to the profile of the gear tooth as per punch mark. File the dovetail portion of the blank. Fit the blank into the dovetail groove of the gear wheel. If necessary, file the blank till it fits in. Apply Prussian blue on the dovetail groove to check the high spots in the blank piece. Remove the high spots and make a snug fit in the dovetail groove. Drill 3 mm diameter. 2 holes up to a depth of 33 mm on the blank and gear wheel in assembled condition. Reaming the holes using a hand reamer. Dismantle the assembly and remove the chips from the holes of the gear and the blank. Assemble again and fit the dowel pins in the holes by a slight tapping. File the profile of the gear tooth to the correct shape. Use a template to check the profile. File the sides of the blank, flush with the gear. Repair broken gear tooth, welding method. File the broken tooth surface become flat. Mark for 2 holes on the surface with 10 mm center distance between the holes. Punch the centers for drill holes. Drill 5 mm diameter. Holes on the centers to a depth of 9 mm. Tap the holes using AM6 hand tap. Remove the chips and clean the tapped holes. Fix up 4 hexagonal-headed M6 bolts into the tapped holes and tighten them securely. Cut off the hexagonal head of the bolts by hacksawing. Filled up material by welding just enough to make the tooth profile by filing. File the filled up material to tooth profile. Use a template frequently to check the profile to have correct shape and pitch. Mounting and check for workability. Clean the parts before assemble. Fill up the lubricating oil into the gearbox up to the indicated level. Mount the gearbox with the machine. Check the test run with different speeds, 4 speed.
In this session, we discuss the process of dismounting, repairing damaged gears, mounting and checking for workability. Here's a short recap of the key points covered. Repairing damaged gears. Inspect the gear for damage such as chipped teeth or cracks. Minor damage can be repaired by smoothing the edges or repairing the teeth using a file or grinding wheel. For severe damage, consider replacing the gear with a new one that matches him specifications of the original gear. Mounting and check for workability. Clean the shaft and gear mating surfaces thoroughly using a cleaning solvent or degreaser. Apply a thin layer of lubricant or gear oil to the shaft and gear mating surfaces. Carefully slide the gear onto the shaft, aligning it properly if applicable. Use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts or nuts according to the manufacturer's specification. Reinstall any covers or guards that were previously removed. Check the test run with different speeds. We appreciate your participation in this session today on repairing damaged gears, mounting and checking for workability. We hope you learned something from and found value in this lecture. Watch this space for more illuminating discussions. Enjoy your day.